Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing these white shorts that I just received. I got it in this nice white color and they are not see-through. There's many different colors that you could get, which is really nice. They also come in two different variants, 5-inch and 7-inch. I got the 5-inch version. Something that I really enjoy about these drawstrings is that they have the metal tips here at the end, and then the waistband is stretchable, so it fits really nice around your waist. So these shorts are very lightweight. I'm gonna put my phone and I'm gonna show you guys. See, when I put my phone in, my shorts don't drop, my pants aren't even tied, and the waistband is stretchable, so it fits perfectly around my waist. I got two pockets in the front, and then I have one pocket right here in the back. Overall, I use these shorts every single day. I use them to play basketball, so if you're playing basketball, any sports, or going out on vacations, I like wearing these during the summer especially. I recommend these shorts for you.